Okay, so you are given the following classes, and you are also provided with products.txt, a file that contains all products in the store. So here we have products.txt, okay, according to a certain format. And okay, and here you are requested to write a method called search product that searches for products whose prices are between mean price and max price, and returns the list of products that satisfies this criteria. So in which class here we have to make it? It doesn't say in the store. The store. We have the class store here. Okay. Okay. So in the class store here. Okay, so we go to the class store. We have load the products, save the products. So we have to write a method called search products. So what do we have to do here? So we have an array list of products. So what are we going to return? We're going to return a list product. So at first I have to create this list, okay? Product list, well, a found list equal new. So I can use is it linked list or array list? But it doesn't say, so we can do any of them. Linked list, okay, and here I have to put. So this is going to be what I'm going to return at the end. So at the end I'm going to return found product. I'm going to return this. Now I have to found list. Now I have to find these products. So what to do here?
You can use that iterator.
We can use an iterator, we can use a for loop. I'm going to use an iterator here so at least we can apply. Okay, so here I'm going to make a list iterator of which type? So it's going to be a product here, and then IT equal. So now I'm going to make an iterator on the products list. So I have a list of products, linked list of products here. Okay, dot list iterator. Okay, so you can observe that here all the products are saved here. Okay, so I'm going to search into this list. There is no other choice. Yes, and then while it.has next. Okay, yes. So usually it's the best thing, we have to save the value of, yes, so we're going to create product. Every time you have something like this, save the value. Okay, p equal it.next. So now I'm going to check whether this p satisfies the criteria. What is the criteria here? If p dot get price smaller than max price, واضح? And p dot get price is greater than mean price. Yes? What we should do? Found list dot add P. And that's pretty much it. Okay? Who did this function correctly? 1, 2, 3.
For the linked list, do we have to use list iterator, not iterator?
You can, yes. If we want to use an iterator, it's possible. We can use an iterator here and an iterator here. Because here we're going only to use has next and dot next. Okay? So it's going also to work with an iterator. If you need to go back and forth, in this case, you have to use the list iterator. So it depends on what you would like to do. Okay? So the second question says that, okay, the order class must be comparable and must organize the order object according to their date attribute. Implement the method in compare to order. So now we have to go to the order method. Okay, I have to go to the order class and make it comparable. So it already implements comparable order here, but something is missing. The compare to method is not implemented. So I have to implement the compare to method. So here it's public int compare to what to put here? Order. Okay, and then I have to compare what attributes? The dates. So how to make this? Yeah. If we go here to the class date, so we can find that the date is already comparable. Okay, and it compares the method. So I can use this one. No need to compare again to do the same comparison, the years and the months and the days. Okay, what is the order here? According to their date order. Okay, so what we can do here, this, yes, return this dot date dot compare to order dot get date. One line of code. Only one line of code. It's quite simple. Okay? So usually in this kind of questions and exercises, you have to spend some time seeing the different classes. That is very important. Okay? It's very important that you know the methods, because usually I give helper methods. Okay? Which will save your time. So just first a quick glance at the class, and you can observe that it is comparable, so you can use it. Otherwise, you have to compare the dates again, and you spend pretty much time to make it. Okay? Question number 3. Write 3 methods: place order, process order, and process order. 3 methods. So place order here. What does it do? It adds an order, a new order in the orders queue. So here in the store class, right? We have to go to the store class, and we will do the method place order. What does it do? It adds a new order in the orders queue. This is an order. It's declared as a priority queue. So how to add an order into the priority queue? So I have the priority queue orders dot. I can do add ولا offer. Oh. It's the same thing here. They do the same thing. But because here we have a queue, it's better to use over. So, okay. So again, one line of code, response to the question. And then process orders. It adds the order in the completed orders list and removes it from the orders queue. It must return true if the order is removed and false otherwise. So you can see here, what is the order of the orders queue? What is the policy? What is the queuing policy here?
Date.
Yeah. So here we have first in, first out, because they are going to be stored according to their date of placement. Okay? So when I do process here, so what does it do process now? So process order. It adds the order into the completed order. So I have to keep track of them. Okay? It's like I save, okay, this order is completed. Now I save that this order is completed. And then I have to remove it from the ongoing orders queue. So I have two operations. What is the first one? So here I have a list of completed orders. So completed orders dot add order, and then
Order.
and you have orders dot, we can use remove, yes, and order here. And the last one,
Shouldn't we use it?
sorry,
He said that it should return
yes,
Sure.
and yes, yes. Here just
If it contains.
no, something like this. Okay, dot remove is going to return true or false, whether it is removed or not. This is the simplest way. And the last one, process order, it adds order to the completed orders list and removes it from, it must return the order if it is removed. Okay, so the last one is actually very similar to this one. The only difference is what to return. So here we're going to return the product removed itself. Okay, we're going to return the product that is removed. Okay. Not the product, it's the order.
But it has no parameter.
Mhm.
It has no parameter.
Process. So we have
No. So here, look now. When we do orders dot remove, we have two versions. Ya amma you specify the object and it's going to remove the object that you specify and then return Boolean value, like we did it in the previous version. Okay? The second one is to just call remove. And because we have a priority queue here, it's going to remove the one with the highest priority. Okay? And then it's going to return that order itself. So what we can do here? We can do order O. Okay, for example, to remove. Order to remove. It's this one. It is this one. And then, so I'm going to add this order into the completed orders, and then I have to return that order. So I can just do return order to remove, while I can return the last element dot size minus dot get. So here dot get, because this is the last element, I'm going to return the last element that is added, because add is going to add at the end. Okay,
But in the question, it doesn't have any parameter.
which parameter?
The third,
The second.
the question.
Why it's not returning fine? Yes. Process order
ما فيها parameter.
process order. Okay, it's without this. Sorry. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this is now. So the last question, we're going to do it tomorrow. So now I would like that you use the evaluation form and make a self-evaluation of yourself based on the solutions provided. Okay? You have to provide me the feedback so I can see the assessment. Is it clear now?